Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kim's here. In today's video, we're going to talk about NIO stock and how it just had a great earning, but the stock started to drop, and we'll talk about why that is. Also, we'll talk about Tesla and what's going to happen to Tesla's stock price going forward up until the S&P 500 Inclusion date, which is on December 21st. And lastly, we'll talk about a new stock that I will be adding to my portfolio within the next upcoming weeks. I'll let you know when I will do that. But yeah, this is a new stock. It's an EV charging network type of stock. They're actually one of the largest in America, and they're expanding rapidly in Europe as well. Currently, they're not public yet, but the stock that I'm planning to buy is a SPAC, or Special Purpose Acquisition Company. The merger has not happened yet, so remember to turn on that notification bell and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And remember to drop a like in this video and comment below for the YouTube algorithm. That way you can help me grow my channel. And at the same time, when you're down there, go ahead and check out the referral link down below for 3 free stocks. This month, Webull is having a special promotion. If you don't have Webull yet, it's a trading platform. It works on your mobile, iPad, or desktop, and you get 3 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more into their platform. And also I will get a free stock as well, so it's a win-win situation. Okay, first let's talk about NIO. If you've seen my previous video, I've been telling you guys that NIO will have a great earning for their Q3 2020, and today is the 18th. Yesterday the earning call happened, and yesterday at one point it almost hit $50, which was my prediction. And then I also said in my last video that after the earning call, they will most likely have a pullback. And right away, today actually, if you take a look at today, NIO did pull back. Currently it is sitting at $45.45. Today it went down 3.28%, and after hours, went back up. I guess that's because of Bank of America raised their price target from like $27 to like $54 or something like that. That's why it went up a little bit after hours. But I think it's a sell-off. If you look at the past 1 year, it's up 2,453%. So that's pretty crazy. It's up like 25 times. But yeah, this is again the pullback, and I expect in the next couple weeks it could pull back even more. But like I said from my previous video, I still think that this company is still a great company. Matter of fact, if you look back, I'll show you my position. Actually, this is the first time I maybe show it to you. Currently I am up almost 800% in my position, and my average cost is $5.09. And NIO makes up, this is just one of my portfolio, but it makes up about 26.57% of my portfolio because it blew up, right? I invested, what is that, about $500 or something, and then now it's worth $4,500. And with NIO, I've seen a lot of YouTubers started to make videos about NIO, but if you look back, I started making video about NIO stocks since about 3 months ago, or maybe 4 months ago, when it barely hit like $15, and then I made another one like a couple months ago when it hit $30 a share. Anyways, but for NIO, if you look at my previous trades, I invested in NIO since they went public. They went public like, September 2018. And I started investing in NIO since October 3rd, 2018, guys. So I've been holding on. I've been through thick and thin. At one point I bought. I keep buying when it went down. I mean, take a look. I mean, I bought some share when it was worth $2.91, and when I got in, it was like $6.41. So I've been with NIO ever since, and now I'm planning to hold, even though I'm not going to talk about the Q3 result. Some of you guys probably seen a few videos already, or you probably seen on the news that they had great Q3 earning results. Now that it's approaching all-time high, am I taking profit? Am I holding on to it, or am I buying more? Well, I'm a long-term investor with NIO. Like I said, I started investing in NIO since pretty much when they went public back in October 2018. So I'm going long with NIO at least 3 to 5 years minimum. I might even hold it even longer, and I'm going to keep buying every time there's a dip. Just be careful, you know, some of you guys just are new to this EV space, and right now, I mean, year to date is up like 2,400%. But you know, personally, I still think there's room to grow, and in the next 2 to 3 years, I still think that NIO will be going up. I mean, if you listen to the Q3 earning calls, you'll know that, you know, the 2 new products is coming out, which is their 2 sedan. One of them, I believe, is the ET7, and it looks really clean. They're trying to compete with Tesla, because right now Chargepoint and Tesla, with the Tesla Model 3, they're doing really well. It's a sedan, and NIO currently, all of their 3 models, they're all SUVs. I mean, take a look at Chargepoint. They just released their P7 3-4 months ago, back in June earlier this year, and because of that, the P7 just took over as far as the vehicle sales. You know, they surpassed the G3, so I can see that happening next year when NIO release their ET7 and another sedan, whatever they release next year. Therefore, that will bring their revenue up. I mean, that's probably another new type of market that they're opening up. Most of the time, they're, you know, middle age, or they have family already, and some young individuals out there, or people who don't have kids, they want to drive in a nice vehicle, like a nice sedan, and NIO will bring that, and that's a huge market that they will capture, and it looks really clean, and I mean, it's a premium EV, so I'm sure it'll be selling like hotcakes. But just like my previous video, I still believe that NIO will still at least get to $60 a share. But before that happens, I believe there will be another dip. So yeah, just hang on tight, guys. A lot of you guys are like panic selling. Just think long term though. Where will this company be in 3 to 5 years from now? Especially they're expanding globally, starting with Europe first, and then in 2023 and 2024, they're really going global. And man, they are building the brand in China. So, and plus with all this hype they're building on the stock, they're building the name up right now. More and more people will know about NIO, and that is exciting. And that's why I am holding on to my NIO shares. I'm not gonna sell them. Matter of fact, I will be buying more, like I said earlier in my video. Okay, so now let's talk about Tesla, because a couple of videos ago, I made a video about how, you know, Li Auto, Chargepoint, and NIO, they were all like, you know, spiking. And briefly in that video, Tesla was down, and I even mentioned it that, hey, this is a great time to get in to Tesla. I don't know, some of you guys might have heard it, some of you might have missed it. At the time when I said Tesla was a good buy, and it's a good time to get in Tesla if you don't have any Tesla, at that time Tesla was under 410. And then the next day, Tesla got the news and the green light that they will be joining the S&P 500, and this is massive news. And that day, Tesla went up to like 455 or something like that. This morning, I was like, why did Tesla go down? So I made a call option. I usually don't do options, but I saw this opportunity and I had to take it. So I made a call debit spread, and let me know in the comment section below if you want me to talk more about options in my video. I'm not an expert, but I only do options sparingly. For this position, I made this call option today, November 18, and I got in at like 6:35 a.m. when Tesla was still under 445. I made a call option that will expire on November 27th. So I'm giving myself like a couple weeks out. For this call option, as long as Tesla share price is above 450 by November 27th, I'll be able to keep this profit, and I'll most likely double my money. So I put in $478, and Yeah, but most likely I'll probably gonna sell it in the next couple days because I don't know what's gonna happen. This is just a quick play. So for this call option, I'm already up more than $500. So I'll probably gonna sell it tomorrow or the day after. I just wanted to lock in my profit really quick. Again, I don't recommend options for those of you who are new. This is a calculated risk and it is risky. So yeah, for this position, if Tesla fall below 445, I actually lose the money that I put in, which is $478. But if Tesla is above 450, I will be able to double my money. So since the spread is $5, as you can see, 445 and 450, so that's a $500 difference. And I bought 2 contracts, so that means I'll keep $1,000. So the max profit for this play is $522. Next, let's talk about a new stock that I'm planning to add into my portfolio. This is a high growth stock again, and it is an EV stock. This company is called Chargepoint and is going to be merging with SwitchBack Energy. This is a SPAC. So it's a special purpose acquisition company. The SwitchBack Energy listed September 16, 2019, so roughly about a year ago. Ever since then, they were flatlining. I mean, they were just trading sideways. And up until September 24th, earlier this month, they announced that they will be merging with Chargepoint, which is one of the largest EV charging station, and they're expanding all over the US and Europe. I recommend you guys doing your research and find out more about Chargepoint. You look at their company website, you'll see that they're doing some great things, they're expanding rapidly. But let's take a look at SwitchBack really quick before I go into Chargepoint, which is the company that they will be merging with. If you take a look at SwitchBack in the past 1 year, it is up 104%. Really, the last 3 months is when it picked up, so it's up 96.86%. And 1 month it's up 27%. 1 week it's up 18.7%. And the last day it's up a little bit, about 1% or so. So I'm planning to add this stock into my portfolio in the next upcoming weeks. I'm not sure if there will be a dip or not, but I'm probably gonna get in now before it's too late. Again, this is just me. Use this video as an entertainment purpose only, not a financial advice. But let's take a look at SwitchBack really quick. This news just came out today, I believe. Yeah, the November 18 on this afternoon. SwitchBack Energy, and it's a SPAC. It's up nearly 15% in the past week. As a reverse merger with EV charging company Chargepoint comes to closer to completion. The deal is $2.4 billion and it was announced back in September. And this deal will most likely close by the end of Q4 2020. So it's coming up really quick. So personally, I'm going to try to get in before the merger happen, right? And most likely it will go up. Again, this is just my opinion. I don't have the crystal ball, of course. So that is it for this video. Look out for more EV and other high growth stock coverages. Comment below if you have other EV stocks that you want me to look into. If they interest me, I will make video about it in the future. So don't forget to drop a like in this video as it really helps out my channel. Join our growing family here on YouTube by subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.